Hello, everybody. In this moment, we are talking about problem solving. Problem solving is a way to find a solution to a problem. This ability is related to various things, such as the ability to listen, analyze, research, creativity, communication, and teamwork, and to decision making. And the goal is that a problem can be solved effectively based on accurate data and information. And then we move to process problem solving. The process problem solving are the first identify the problem. The first step in the process problem solving is to define a problem based on existing symptoms. The reason is a problem is usually influenced by various factors. These factors must be described first by way of identification so that the solution can be carried out properly. And the second, finding the best solution. Problem solving aims to find the best solution to a problem. To do this, it requires a deep understanding of the problem so that it can be resolved effectively. And the third, conduct an evaluation. Evaluation is the final stage in the process problem solving. In this stage, the previously decided solutions can be implemented. However, it doesn't end there because the solution must also be followed up in order to solve the problem as a whole. And then we move to method problem solving. The method of problem solving are the first, brainstorming. Brainstorming is a method problem solving the most used by people. The reason is this method is effective for solving problems through creative solutions. The process is that everyone must convey ideas and opinion which can then be processed into one main solution. And then the second, lightning decision jam. This method allows you to write down everything from challenges to worries to mistakes in a small note. With this, you can choose which problem you want to solve first by looking at it from a new perspective. That way, problem solving can be done regularly. And the third, 6 thinking heads. In this method, everyone will try to provide a solution to a problem from various perspectives. The trick is to group existing ideas into pro and cons lists. That way, you can see which ideas have the most advantages. The fourth, the 5 whys. This method is done by highlighting the problem to be solved. Then find out the answer about why the problem can happen 5 times until you get an objective answer about your question. And the fifth, failure mode and effect analysis. Lastly, this method is used to analyze each element of the business strategy and the best possibilities that will occur. That way, you can find solutions to your problems as well as preventive steps to present them more early. And then we move to the meaning of problem solving skill. Now that we've established the definition, there are some important skills that are beneficial for finding solution. And then the first, communication. Communication is a critical skill when you have to work in teams. If you and your colleagues have to work on a project together, you'll have to collaborate with each other. In case of differences of opinion, you should be able to listen attentively and respond respectfully in order to successfully arrive at a solution. The second, research. As a problem solver, you need to be able to research and identify underlying causes. You should never treat a problem lightly. In-depth study is imperative because often people identify only the symptoms and not the actual problem. The third, analyze. Once you have researched and identified the factors causing a problem, start working towards developing solutions. Your analytical skills can help you differentiate between effective and ineffective solutions. 4. Decision making. You'll have to make a decision after you've identified the source and methods of solving a problem. If you've done your research and applied your analytical skills effectively, it will become all easier for you to take a call, a decision. And then we move to problem-solving strategies. Here are common problem-solving strategies to try out. The first, trial and error. There's rarely a single right answer to your problem. A trial and error approach or A or B testing encourages your team to experiment with solution and identify the best one. Of course, this is only productive if you have the necessary time and resources. The second, working backward. Using your imagination, visualize your problem solved. Now, work backward, retracing each step to your current place. Involve team leaders in this process and share ideas until you have a solid plan of action. The third, use an old solution. You don't always have to reinvent the wheel. Think about how you've solved similar issues in the past. If one of your old solutions works, use it again. And fourth, draw it out. Visualizing every part of problem isn't always easy. Using fishbone diagrams, concept maps, or flowchart ensures you make connection and account for every last detail. Plus, a diagram will make the roadblock easier to understand when you address it with the rest of the team. But don't tackle this work alone. The more niche you involve, the more perspectives you can draw upon. Someone else at the table will likely think of something you missed. And I think it is enough for this explanation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, give this channel your like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, share. Thank you.